Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to be a good guest on Airbnb. One simple thing you can do is tell your host when you've arrived. So I'm assuming your host hosts remotely. Some don't, but yeah, just let them know you checked in okay. If you like the place, be sure to let them know that you like the place. Hosts love hearing that. We've worked hard to make it as nice as possible. Maybe during your stay, tell them you're really enjoying the place. We had a guest recently who they're staying long term, and they wondered if we're going to clean halfway through. They're new to Airbnb, and actually we only clean at the end, and I think we make that clear, but maybe we don't, I'm not sure. Anyway, so I contacted him and said, I'm willing to send my staff to clean, and no answer. And it's been days now. So part of your job as a guest is to communicate. If you don't want to do that, maybe a hotel is actually better for you. Not everyone suits short-term rentals, You got it sort of a two-way street, and you need to be able to communicate, follow the rules. We had guests recently who booked for 2 people, but 6 people stayed, and they parked their bicycles on the street, which is a real no-no in Japan with narrow roads, and just not good guests, so I gave them a terrible review. Now it's going to be difficult for them to book any Airbnb because they've got that low review. So yeah, be a good guest, try to follow the rules. Most of your hosts will rate you honestly, so be on your best behavior. Like you're staying with your grandmother or your aunt. So wash your dishes, put your clothes away, You don't have to clean up so much before you leave, at least with us, but have the garbage, the recycling and the garbage separated, things like that. So we clean up afterwards. We make the beds, we change the sheets, we vacuum, but you can do the minimum, which is, don't leave dirty dishes, don't leave your trash all over the floor, put it in a bag, all the things that your grandmother would tell you. Some guests have not grown up. So you'll probably pay the price if you haven't. You'll get a bad review. So, yeah, think of your grandmother when you stay.